Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage autoplay on IMDb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage autoplay on IMDb. Maybe you wanted to do that because you want to save your internet, or maybe you don't like when the next episode of the series play on its own. You want the app to ask you before autoplaying the video, or it could be any other reason for you to get to know how you can manage autoplay on IMDb. So whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the IMDb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the IMDb app to open it. And once the app gets open, you will see this interface. On the home page we have a lot of series, movies and different stuff. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom. So from these options you have to select this right one option, which is you, or the icon is similar to profile icon. So just simply click here and you will land into this page. Once you get here, at the top you will see we have two other options. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on this settings icon, this one. Once you tap on it, you will get here. Once you get here, first you will read the title of settings and you will see bunch of options. So from all these options, you have to select this third option, which is video. As you can see, just simply click onto this option and you will get here. And again, you will read the title of video and you will find three options. The first option is what we are looking for, which is autoplay video. So you have to click on it and there you will find three options. So if you select the first option, what will happen is that the video will play on its own, like video will be on autoplay whether you're using internet or cellular data. And if you want to go with the second option, Wi-Fi only, the video will play on its own when you're on the Wi-Fi. It will save your data, it will not use your mobile cellular data. And if you select the third option, then it will not autoplay video, it will ask you, it will not play on its own whether you're on Wi-Fi or you're on cellular data. So there are three options. Whichever is most preferable for you, you can go with that option. You just have to simply tap onto that option and that option will be selected, and autoplay system, or you could say autoplay settings, will work according to the selected option. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can manage autoplay on IMDb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.